Hi there, guys. How are you doing today? So this is the setup that I have actually right now, which I have already entered my position. But let me explain you what happened here actually. This is the chart of gold. Um, so gold has been really bullish, right? It has been making higher, high, higher lows, higher, high, higher lows. This is the 1 hour break of structure. Basically, it happened right here. Okay. So when this impulsive move broke this structure, I was expecting some sort of a pullback around this area, right? So I marked my area of interest, which is in this case this fair value gap around here, right? The gap between the candle number 1 and candle number 3. There's a tiny bit gap right here, and I was kind of expecting market to come around this area. Okay, so what market did, it went up all the way, it consolidated, it generated liquidity right here. It tried to take liquidity, but it did not fill this fair value gap right here, right? This gap between this candle and the third candle hasn't been filled. So basically, I was waiting patiently. I was waiting for the market to come, and gold has been bullish actually, and I was expecting the market to come around this area. So what happened around this time? The market did come, and it tap into this area of interest, which is fair value gap around here, this candle right here. Okay. And let me just switch my chart to lower time frame. I would go for 5 minutes, see what's available there. Okay. So here it is. So this is the area that I was eyeing on, right? This is the area. So market has been like, consolidating here. And once I spotted this high volume, like ultra high volume around this area, as you can see, let me just show you properly. This is the ultra high volume, right? That correspond to this particular candle. So this candle gave me ultra high volume. All I was waiting for basically, price to come around and tap this area. Meanwhile, what I did, I just marked my high and the low of this candle. Okay. The high and the low has been marked, and I was waiting for the low of this candle to be swept. It did get swept right here, and market came and tapped into this area of interest, right? After I have noticed, okay, the market has come and tapped into the area of interest, so I basically waited around this area, and I entered my aggressive entry around this area right here. Okay, so let me show you here on my chart right here, which is the FXCM, my broker. So this is the area I entered. My stop was way below this area, 648. And this is the trade that I took actually. And it has been, from my entry, it has given me around 83 pip, but I'm still expecting market to go to another 60 more pip. This is the a TP that I'm eyeing on. This is my TP is set right here. So I'm focusing that if market can come, hit my target around here, that'd be great. But meanwhile, what I did, I basically trailed my stop from my entry to a break even. So my stop has moved to break even. So my trade is secure as a matter of fact. So market does come and stop me out, so be it. I'm in the profit already. I'm going to be in break even. I already closed some of my position here on the other chart, but this is the position that I still have running. So let's see what will be the outcome. Okay, so let me explain you again. Let me make this chart bigger. So gold has been bullish. It broke this structure around this area, as you can see. Let me switch it to 15 minutes right here. Break of structure, gold went impulsively up. This is the area where I was expecting market to come. And it did come around this time, right? And meanwhile, what market was doing, it was gyrating the whole time. It did not give me any setup here around this area. As you can see, it was kept on generating this trend line liquidity, as you can see right here. Yes. Let me switch it to 5 minutes so it'll be much more clear for you. Here you go. See, this is the area. It has been engineering this trend line liquidity. And the whole time it was like fluctuating up and down, like gyrating the whole time. Did not give me any good setup, even though I was eyeing on to short round here and put my stop loss on top of this particular candles. But I was more focused on taking a long trade because gold has been bullish, right? But anyway, so what market did, it basically went down and took out all these traders here who have put their stop losses right here, right here, right here. So they're out. After these guys have been out, let me switch my turn my session indicator. So this is the New York basically session right here. As you can see, it's denoted in N. So New York, this is the London, this Asia. This one, the Asian session has been taken by London. The low has been taken by this candle. Market kind of, consolidated, went up, mitigated this order block, came back down from there. This was the New York. So New York took the London low as well. So London low has been taken, Asian low has been taken. What's left? The New York high and the Asia high. So that's the reason why my target is set over there around this area. So let's see what will be the outcome of this particular trade, and I'll keep you posted. I'm going to keep it running. So this is whatever the outcome is, I'm going to post it and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so this is what I do all the time. Just wait for my setup to appear at the area of interest and I execute my trade accordingly. As simple as that. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for your time. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bye-bye. And I'll show you the result of this trade as well at the end of the video, right? So just stay tuned for that one. Hi there. So there's an update of the trade actually. I had to keep it open the whole night. So finally, this is where I started basically right here. And I took my final profit around this area right here. So I closed my trade. This is where I got in around this area. My profit has been hit. Let me just tell you how much was it. Okay, so starting from here. So around 231 pip, give or take. All right, so this is the power of using the volume, and I do it all the time. Confirmation of the volume at my point of interest. Wait for the these trigger line or these line to be breached. Soon as the price open up above these trigger line, I enter my trade. Stop goes below, and look at the result. It did come all the way to the lower area of these two trend line, and gave us an opportunity to enter again, right? So in a nutshell, this is the setup. I do it all the time. So if you incorporate volume with your trading is going to be transformed. All right. So have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.